Okay, after about 3 days of work, I've completed my Madjax Alpha Body Kit that I purchased from TNT Golf Carts. Their install videos on their website I found to be very helpful in helping me prevent unexpected problems. I chose to install the non-chrome grill, as you see here, and the optional hood scoop. I took my old bumper off and down below the grill there and put in that grill that has the lighting in it, so I really see well in the dark now. While I had the cart torn down, I installed a rear flip seat, which you'll see as I get to it. Continue moving around. Next was a new tinted windshield. My other one was had many years of use and typical scratches that you get on these plexiglass windows. My wheels, as you see, those were my old black and silver wheels. I color keyed them to the new body and put new 14-inch Fusion DOT street tires on the rims, and boy does that make a difference in ride, steering, everything. Okay, and there's the new rear flip seat, which as you see flips up and down for hauling mulch around the house or whatever you may need to do. All the lighting on the cart now is LED. I previously put in the upgraded steering wheel, and I don't know if you can see it up there very well, but the overhead console with the AM/FM CD stereo system, which is a must when you're cruising around the hood or a lot of our camping at Fort Wilderness. It was nice to have that. And finally, my seat is the Mods MODZ F2, and that was the one thing that did not come from TNT Golf Cart Parts. That came from, I believe it was the Golf Cart King. So there you have it. Oh, almost forgot these, my new signal light mirrors. Nothing but the best on this cart now. Lots of fun, and the neighbors in my community here are all stopping me to ask where the heck did I get my brand new golf cart. I almost hate to tell them it's my 15-year-old Club Car Precedent. It just looks new. Well, there you have it. If you decide to put one of these kits on, you'll find it really is not too difficult. I think I said earlier, the install videos on the TNT Golf Cart website I found to be very helpful, and I'm sure helped me avoid problems that I might have run into had I not known about them ahead of time. Well, have a good one, and catch you later.